Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you will not miss a future video.
Welcome to the channel, The Tech Piano Player Kid.
A black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille.
What is up, everyone? The Tech Piano Player Kid here, and first of all, I want to apologize for not uploading for quite a while. I've been working on another project. I have been working on my new podcast, which is a Christian podcast. So that has been up and running. So I've been doing that. iOS 18, iPadOS 18, tvOS 18, HomePodOS 18, and WatchOS 11 plus macOS Sequoia have been released to the public on Monday, I believe it was, or yesterday, one of the two, this week. And I've already really covered on iOS 18. I want to cover on something really new on WatchOS 11. For those of you who are able to upgrade to WatchOS 11 and have the non-cellular watch, you may get some new ringtones. Let's take a look at them.
Ringtone, focus, pebbles, default. Focus, pebbles, 65%, 60%, speech off.
So here's the default now. You remember that? For those of you who have the cellular version, you may have that ringtone. Well, now, people who have the non-cellular have new ringtones. So you have this one as the default now. All right.
Focus.
Here's focus.
Focus, selected.
Jingle. That was your default.
Jingle, select. Nighthawk. Jingle,
Nighthawk.
Nighthawk. Transmit. Nighthawk. Transmit.
Here's transmit.
Twirl.
Twirl. Ooh.
Wind up. Twirl. Wind up.
And here's wind up. Oh, the haptics are so cool.
Alert. X. Wonder.
Sorry.
Back button. Wind up. Selected. Wonder.
And here's wonder. That's really cool.
Wonder. Selected.
So I'm going to keep it on wonder for now.
Back button. Ringtone. Text tone. Brilliant.
We even have new text tones on the Apple Watch.
Resonate. Default. Text tone. Heading. Resonate. Default.
Resonate is your default.
Resonate.
The little ding, ding. I'm not going to do really high, but yeah.
Brilliant.
Here's brilliant.
Brilliant.
Cheer.
Select.
Flutter. Globe. You remember that one? That one's for like other notifications. Moment. That's for reminders and stuff.
Select.
Scoop.
Timekeeper. Tinker.
Oops. Timekeeper. Tinker.
Select. None.
And then there's none.
Moment. Globe. Flutter. Cheer. Brilliant.
I'm going to put it on brilliant. Oops. There you go.
Text. Back button.
So go back.
Button. Text tone. New mail. Scoop.
New mail.
Brilliant. Cheer.
The mail.
Flutter.
Same thing.
Globe. Moment. Scoop. Selected.
I have it on Scoop.
Scoop. Selected. Back button. Back button. Calendar alerts. Scoop. Reminder alerts. Scoop. Default alerts. Timekeep. System sounds and haptics.
And I think that's the big one on here for new ringtones. So really, really cool. Apple, it's about time to get these ringtones on the Apple Watch. So thank you, because I really like some of those ringtones that I've heard on the other watch. I'm kind of surprised that it took them this long to do that. I don't know why they didn't do that before. But maybe it was just a matter of time to get it over and everything like that. So that's a little bit what's new on WatchOS 11. As I said, I'm not going to really cover anything more about iOS 18, unless I already need to cover some more things. So that's that. With HomePod OS 18, I already have that done. AirPods is also upgradable. For those of you who have the AirPods Pro, you should be able to upgrade your AirPods. Again, I'm not sure which ones are compatible. There's a new feature where you can nod your head or shake your head to decline or answer a call, which is absolutely insane crazy, because I'm not surprised, but I'm just like, wow. I can just picture someone, like, you have your AirPods on, and then someone calls you and you just shake your head, and someone just sees that. They're like, are you okay? I'm like, oh yeah, I was just declining a call. And they'll be like, just by shaking your head? I'm like, yup. So I can just see that. No pun intended. Anyway, guys, that's a little bit new about new features on the watch and on the AirPods and stuff like that. So very short, I know, but there you have it. As I said, I apologize for not uploading for the last few weeks. I've been busy getting stuff ready for my Christian podcast, which I have been recording a lot for that. And yeah, so anyway, that's it for today. Take care and God bless.
So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any more questions, please put them down in the comments below, or you may send them to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. You can also give me a text at 913-312-1325. And if you do not live in the United States, you can text me through WhatsApp and give me a call there as well. I also have a toll-free number that you can use to give me a call at 877-318-8775. Please also follow me and like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, tech_piano. And you can also join my discussion forum on my website, where you can ask questions about technology and help to answer questions about technology for the blind and stuff like this by going to TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com and clicking on the discussion board page underneath the navigation bar menu, where you can register for a free account and help to answer questions and ask questions if need to be. Please make sure that you get permission from your parents if you still need to do so before making an account, just to make sure that you're on the safe side and that you don't want to get in trouble, because we don't want that to happen. And you can also subscribe to my monthly newsletter if you wish by going to my website, TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. Again, if need to be, get permission from your parents just to be on the safe side. And you can unsubscribe at any time if you wish, and you have any trouble with unsubscribing or creating an account or deleting your account, please let me know, and I will do my best to help you out. Anyway, that's it for today's video. God bless you all, and peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below. For questions, please send an email to info@thetechpianoplayerkid.com. You can also give a call or text at 913-312-1325. And don't forget to like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, tech_piano. Black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille, then fades to black.